I beg you. I don't hear my back. Oh my Lord! Come back here. Let me take some thumbnail pictures. Wahala. Hey. So guys, this bag is actually beautiful. What do you guys think? Well, it looks kind of bigger. It looks kind of bigger on her page. I think it's picture. But Mommy, it's exactly what I saw.
Where's my books?
Mama, I'm coming. Hold on. It's exactly what I saw. It's just that I thought it was bigger. But it's okay. Oh, shit. The way she packaged these things then. Okay. Oh my God. This is actually beautiful.
Cut.
Is it showing well?
Yeah.
Is it showing actually?
Yes.
Can they see it? Oh my Lord.
Cut.
I'm a Barbie girl. Hey, in a Barbie world.
Cut.
Don't cut. This is so beautiful, guys. So let's open it up. Okay. It just has a strap. Aww. This is beautiful. I love the leather. Again, I would say it actually looked bigger on her page. But it's still okay. See, guys. I love the leather. It's so nice.
Cut.
It's so nice. Barbie girl.
Cut.
Okay. So, wahala. You know what? The only thing I'm disappointed about these bags is in the picture they look bigger. So this is just a strap. They look bigger. These are just portable bags. But this one is not kind of what I saw versus what I got. Because in the picture it looks actually bigger. But maybe my bad. I think I'm going to be reading the caption. I will not, whether it's midi or mini or maximum or whatever it is they call it. Where's my baby? Okay. Or whatever they call it. You know, as a mother, I don't see my daughter here. I don't see my son around. They find where is you. These children, not feeling. It's actually beautiful, but it's just very small. I don't like that.
Cut.
Next on the list is a. Oh, this is actually beautiful, guys. Oh, this is fine. This is actually nice. So let's see. What's this? Let's see. And a strap. It's actually okay. This is actually portable and beautiful. Yeah. If I want a small bag, at least let it be this small. Not that red size. But anyways, I love this. I love the leather, guys. What do you think? Which do you like? Next. This is another bag I actually thought was big. But still bringing it and it's small. Oh. That's the disadvantage of buying things online. Like, you can't really tell the size. This one just also has a strap. But it's too small. But it's fine. It's okay. But it's too small. So that's just my opinion. Like, I just feel it's small. That's just it. But it's fine. What do you guys think? Hey. Oh my God. You like it, baby? You love it. Even my daughter don't fight it. This is beautiful. I'm coming. Hold on, baby. This is nice. I love this. Let's see the inside. Like, if I want a small bag, let this one be like this. You know, say we as content creator, small mini tripod suppose enter inside bag now. So all this red and white, feel like saying, unfortunately, I go dash am too. So this one also comes with a strap. At least my mini tripod can enter here. My 2 phones, my power bank.
4, 5.
It's good. I love it.
1, 2.
But not the least. Hey, guys. Mama, keep quiet. This might be like I buy something for my baby girl. Guys, if you see the picture, I think I'm going to insert the picture on the screen. It was actually quite big. I thought it was like a clutch purse, you know. In fact, even my phone cannot enter inside this thing. Even my phone cannot enter inside. I don't know it's for fancy or something. It's very small. So that's all the bags. So which was your favorite? Which did you like most? And yeah, that is all of the unboxing. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking around. Thank you. And happy resumption week. To all the yummy mommies out there, thank you for all the support. I love you guys. And I tell them to like this video. So give this video a like. Share. Subscribe. And comment. Alright, guys, thank you for sticking around with us. I don't want to make this video so long. If it's very long, I'm going to divide it into 2 videos. Because I know people don't get that until they watch long videos.
So forget her book.
Huh?
Her book.
Huh?
Her book.
Her books. I need to show the book. So, see you all in my next video. Bye-bye. Ruler. So we also bought her textbooks. Yes. Oh my Lord. Good. Your textbooks. Show it to them. No, just stand here and do like this. So we got her textbooks yesterday. These are not even all low. We still have to buy more. When we went to get it, the bookshop, the person didn't have everything. So let me put it inside her bag. And her school, you drop all the textbooks in school. So when they just have, put it inside your bag. You can put it here. So when they have a homework, you know, and give them assignments, put it inside here. Remember. Wait. Hold on. So when they have homework, you know, they can just be giving it to them one by one. And I think I like that idea because if it is here, this madam, you see the way she never want to make I touch the book. Before you know it, then go tear them. Before you know it. So I like that idea. So she will take it to school tomorrow. And it will be in school. So we still need to buy exercise books, tissue papers. Oh, I forgot. I bought tissue papers too in the market and I forgot to show you guys. So you see, I bought tissue, pencils, erasers and other things that we still need to buy. I'm very sure maybe tomorrow morning when we are going to drop her in school, we will buy that.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Mommy, you pick me.
Oh, I'll pick you. I'll pick you up from school.
Okay.
You want mommy to pick you from school?
Yes.
Okay, mommy will pick you up from school, okay? Yeah, put.
Okay.
Can you imagine how nursery one picking they read all this kind of book and you still they remain. Even literature self. Voila. Okay, I think they are teaching them how to read. And yeah. No, put this one like this. Put this one like this. Yeah. So we'll buy the rest tomorrow by God's grace. No, put your ruler now. Put your ruler.
My ruler.
Yeah. Put your ruler.
Yeah.
Good. Guys, I love this bag. The bag is it contains very, very well. Madam, no one make I touch anything. Okay, guys. Open. Zip it. Zip it up. Wait. Your Sophia bag. Good job.
Got it.
Wahala. Mama, can you carry it? tell you. But I'm not sure you can carry it to bring it. I'm not sure you can carry it. Mommy is going to be carrying this one for you. Oh, Jesus, you cannot carry this thing. Is so heavy. Sorry. I put it back. I'm not sure you can carry this. You're going to fall with this bag. Wahala! Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, Mama, come and tell them bye bye. Come back. Come back here.
Bye.
Oh yeah, say bye.
Shift closer to your
Shift
mama.
closer to me. Oh yeah, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
She stopped.
Bye.